Bonsoir tout le monde. Je m'appelle Gopalakrishna. J'enseigne le français depuis 2010. Good evening, everybody. I'm Gopalakrishna. I've been teaching French since 2010. Today, I would like to describe briefly about the importance of the foreign language, especially French. So, why the French language is becoming very popular these days? Because there are so many opportunities in the software companies. People are very interested to learn these days, and someone is saying French is a little hard language. I'm saying it's very easy language, very easy to learn. If you have patience, if you have a lot of interest, definitely you can learn within 45 classes. It depends on your capacity. There are so many students are there. So many people learn from me. They are teaching right now. They got a very good opportunity. They are teaching in a different hotel management colleges, and they are working as freelancers. They got the higher level certificate DELF also. You can learn from us. You can write an exam, the DELF, anywhere else. You'll get the certificate. So many people, so many students got the certificates. Just extra circular activities. Mother tongue, Indian language, and English, especially any foreign languages. You can have Spanish, Germany, French. But I'm suggesting, my suggestion to the beginners, those who are interested to learn foreign languages, I'm giving the best suggestion to learn French, because the French is the very stylish language. If you learn French, German and Spanish language will be very easier. Same grammar almost. But my suggestion, first focus on this Indian language first of all. If you know any Hindi also, from Hindi to French, very easier. Almost the grammar will be like that only. For example, tu in French, in Hindi tu, like that. Some similar words are there like that. So it's very easy to learn French. If you have a basic knowledge of Hindi also, you can learn French easily. And the grammar is very important in any language. But if you learn in other institutions, it takes more than 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years to finish the course. But here, what we teach? We teach French very fastly. You can practice more. We teach all types of tenses. First of all, we have to focus on the tenses. And you have to improve your listening, speaking, writing, reading skills. So first of all, you have to learn how to. The listening is very important. Listen patiently. Then you can speak fluently. Definitely you can do that. Just you have to focus on the French tenses. That is very important. If you join in any institute, it will be taken long time. The tenses, I prepared some tenses, very easier way to remember. I tried making some tables. With that, you can speak French very fastly. See, we learn English from LKG to almost degree level, but most of the students cannot speak English fluently. But French, I am saying, we never talk to anyone, and no one. Most of the students cannot use that language. How can we improve the language? Means we have to practice ourselves. Definitely. See, present I am talking in this phone. See, I can see myself, right? I am able to see me, how I am talking. As same way, you have to do the practice like this, definitely you can reach the goal. Definitely you can learn the language very fastly and fluently, and you will get the best opportunities. Even see my experience. Okay, I used to work in a pharmaceutical companies. Actually, my background is microbiology, but I learned yoga and French. But actually, French changed my life. I could make so many students. Most of the students are now working in a software company with that extracurricular activity. If you know any other foreign language, that's the best benefit if you learn any foreign language, especially French. My wife, even my wife also, I taught French to my wife, because in her company there was the good project. Those who work in that project, they should speak French. In that from that company, some opportunity came, but yes, just except to French language, everything she is eligible. But what to do? So she approached me. She asked me to teach within 2 months, but I said her to focus. I said her to practice herself more, because we can take 1 hour class. It does not enough. We can't learn within 1 hour. We have to practice more. 1 hour class, 2 hours practice. That's why one quotation is there: practice makes perfect. She tried focusing on the language. I used to teach only for half an hour daily, but I did not teach 2 months. I taught only 45 days. Within 45 days, she learned French. So the interest. So you got the opportunity in that project, like that. So like that. So there are so many opportunities. Not only here, even Canada. See, the first experience, and I used to say. So I want to teach yoga in French. Yoga in French in Canada. There was an offer. Actually, I tried doing, but right now I'm not going anywhere, because I am very happy to train the students, to make the facilitators in French. I have so many students now. There are so many students they are working as a French facilitator in a hotel management college, and they are working as a freelancer in some software companies. Okay, I wanted to go to Canada to teach French, to teach yoga in French. Okay, for that I learned French also, French and yoga both. But both are giving me the big life for me. I am able to speak to you like this here. The first one is a learning. Always we have to learn. We are the students. See, I am teaching French now. I am not feeling as a teacher. I am still learning. We are always learners. So try to. So I can teach French very easy way, with the techniques. I use the linguistics also. And you have to feel the language as for example, our mother tongue. We are learning easily, but we have the other language. We are feeling it's a subject. We are feeling as subject. That's why we are not able to learn the language. Feel the language. Definitely, you can learn French. Your life will be you will be get a bright future with this language. Definitely, there are so many opportunities in this French language. So many people are living in France now. My students are living in France now. I'm very happy to know that they will be calling. So I'm doing this thing. I'm working as definitely. The French language is very helpful. I'm suggesting. See, that's why. So they give me students. So that's enough for me. So your life will be beautiful with this language. I can help you to teach very faster, and mostly the practice will be finished in the class only, maximum. For extra, you will be practice. I will be giving as homework if you want to learn very fast. Those who are very serious, definitely you can learn very fast and you will be very happy with definitely you will be very happy with this French language. Namaskaram.